Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from an Umai crate. Head on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code THERAMENRATER to get a discount on one of those fancy Umai crates. They come in a box. The box looks like that. You get a bunch of stuff in it. It's cool. Especially when you review instant noodles and they send you free ones. I like that. But check it out. It's Myojo Seafood Shoyu Dashi Ramen. It does have English on the front. It says how you'd say it in Japanese on the front end. No, this isn't Myojo. This is Itomen. Itomen. Gyokai to Yasai no Odashi Ramen. Yeah, so pretty basic looking one. I don't know. They seem to be pretty worked up about it. So we'll see how it is. And a noodle block, dropping it in. And then we have a seasoning sachet, which goes in right now, which is kind of interesting too. Let's take you, open yous up. Pop it in there. And this goes for 3 minutes. So, same deal, different day. Hell in a handbasket, you know. Yeah, so I destroyed my right foot from walking in my PT1000 UK gear shoes. Let me put it this way. The insoles died a long time ago, and I just kept using them, and then I did 15 miles a day, 3 days last week, and it was just rubbing, rubbing on the bottom of my foot. And, where'd that go? Yeah, here they are. Here's the, check that out. Ooh. This is the one, that foot. It's the bottom of my foot is a war zone. Feet are war, for those who are really into the whole war thing. But yeah. So, really painful on the foot. So I went online on Amazon and I ordered some insoles, and they're Dr. Scholl's massage gel insoles. They're $11. I looked up insole on Amazon, and they went from anywhere between $7.99 all the way up to $90. I'm like, no. I just buy a brand new pair of the shoes for that, which I'm probably gonna do anyways. But hey, Monopoly tickets, so let's do that right about now. But yeah, I didn't do any walking today. That's pretty rare for me. 50 cents off Ritz crackers. Don't eat those anymore. And sheesh. Yeah, nothing. But it's been an interesting few days, I guess. Not a lot going on. Interesting nonetheless. It's interesting how coffee K-cups. I don't use such things. We got 27 seconds left of peeling. I'm hoping that my foot gets better and I can go out walking again maybe in the morning. Luckily it was a rainy morning this time around. So, beef jerky, 50 cents off. That's kind of worthless. Beef jerky is ridiculously expensive. That's what I'm going to tell you right now. Might as well just get a free ticket. So here are our noodles. They're all done. So I had a guy, he looked at a top 10 list, not the most recent one, it's actually from like a year and a half ago, and he had a big old fit about the fact that I wore an impeach Trump shirt on the top 10 Philippines list. I think that last year I wore, it was either, no, that might have been 2018. I can't remember. They've been trying to impeach him for a long time. They finally did. But, fat lot of good that did. But anyways, yeah, the Philippines list and the Japan list, because I did them the same day, and I was like, yeah, I got my impeach Trump shirt on. Well, people have gone, you know, that's not very nice, and blah, 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 blah. And this guy was like, you know, what you should do is be like, oh, what's his name? The guy who does Strictly Dumpling. And I like what he does. Mike Chen, I think is his name. And I like what he does, but every once in a while I'll get somebody that'll just like harangue and harass about the way I do things on my channel, and that I should do them in a different way so I can get more subscribers, that I should fall in line with the accepted practices for people that are going to be being really, really successful on YouTube. And I just I don't find that to be amusing or fun, you know? I like to do what I like to do. I do this for fun, you know? I know there's like a lot of people that watch my videos and go like, dude, why aren't you cooking noodles right now? Why aren't we seeing you just do your noodle stuff at this exact moment? Why are you talking about this? And it's like, because I feel like it. That's the whole thing. I do what I feel like doing, and if you don't like it, don't watch my channel. I really don't care, you know? But there's enough of you that do, and thank you for enjoying what I do. Here's this broth. It doesn't have that kind of brewed soy sauce kind of flavor. It's not bad. I kind of get a hint of the seafood concept in it, maybe. I don't know. It's good. Let's try the noodle. Usually Itomen does an alright noodle. But yeah, some dude just like, I'm like, dude, why are you having a tantrum? I think it's funny that you're saying I'm having a tantrum. I'm like, really, dude? It's, you know. But yeah, it's like, yeah, it's good. I'd eat all that. I'm making a sandwich. Actually, no, I'm making some noodles. Oh. God, dude. Jeez. You get electrocuted? I don't know, though. I'll admit, I'm a really big fan of the Bee Gees. Did you know that before disco, they were like around? They existed before disco. They had albums out in the 60s. No, 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 no. I don't know that because I could have like gone and seen them in his 60s. I'm not that old. Punk. How old do you people think I am? Say in the bottom in the comments. I don't care. Yeah, really, how old do you think I am? I know I don't hide my age as well as many. But I don't feel tardy. There's some egg. Egg. Let's go to the eggist. And some chashu. I'm still waiting for the guy who I remember there was this guy on, I think it was Reddit, who was telling people, no, 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 that is not how you arrange your egg. No, 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 that's not how you do this. That's not how you do... I mean, this guy was like the biggest ramen snob of all time. It was so, so epic. It's like, why don't you take a little more time on your egg? Stuff like that. It's like, but I thought you liked them to not have the... Well, you could at least marinate them. God! It's gonna be alright. The guy who was complaining about my video in the Trump shirt was like, dude, you're replying to what I'm saying, so obviously you care a lot about what people think about you. I'm like, no, I really don't. I have fun with it. But, I don't know, when people write me a comment, I try to reply to every comment I get. And speaking of, I wish I could speak Russian because all you Russian people say a lot of neat stuff, I'm guessing. I'm hoping it's nice. But there's a lot of Russian people commenting lately. And nobody ever tells me if I'm saying it right. Здравствуйте. Is that correct? Is that the right way to say hello in Russian? If it's not, tell me. I don't want to sound like a frickin' idiot. I just reloaded my my Earl. Had to change the oil. And I'm gonna go with a seasoning that I usually really neglect. This is the Sensio Japanese pepper. I'm gonna put a wallop of it right about there. Yeah. And I apologize, I still need to get some sesame seeds. Maybe... Ooh, there's some left. I'll use some. I'll put a little mound of them right here. And should I use some? I should, just because it's such wonderful stuff. I don't know. It just kills me because I just want to sit here all day with hard-boiled eggs or soft-boiled eggs or eggs and what do you call it? Spring onion and mung bean sprouts and this stuff. Wonderful chili crisp. And just eat it all day long. But I'm back on the wagon. I had a salad last night. But I'm going to be down around 1,200 calories per day. And I'm going to do more walking than I did at the beginning. So, yeah. By the way, I'm sure you guys eat foods other than noodles. If you do, in fact, like baked chicken and junk like that, try this stuff out. This stuff's hella good. Cavender's. It's truly an all-purpose Greek seasoning, folks, and it really makes things taste really good. No, they don't pay me. No, I don't get anything from it. But I'm just saying, I really like it, and you should too. If you like food and things that have taste, it's an ancient Greek formula, a tantalizing taste treat. Enjoy your pancreas. Have a good one. Bye.